To-do list is multiplying, but your time is not. Let's fix that with automation. So hi everyone, welcome to NIIT's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be discussing about an AI automation tool known as Zapier. So right here at the very top, you can prompt the AI to automate something for you. You just describe whatever you require and Zapier will generate a workflow suggestion. We'll get back to this. I know it sounds complicated, but trust me, it's not. At the bottom, we have a start from scratch option here. So what if I don't want to use the AI? So this option would give you full control to build a custom Zap, and not only Zap, you can also deal with tabular data, interfaces, chatbot, canvas. You can create all sort of things, but I'll be focusing more upon Zap in this video. If I go down, you can see that Zapier allows you to connect all sort of apps. So we have Google Forms and Gmail, we have Google Drive and Gmail, we have Zapier interfaces and Zapier tables. So Zapier allows you to connect all sort of these apps, and not only these apps. Using Zapier, you can connect to more than 700 apps, and that's why Zapier is the best automation tool in the market right now. Now, if I click on browse all templates, this would give you a really good sense of all the different type of apps that you can connect using Zapier. So if I go down, you can see that the list goes on and on. And if you find a workflow that meets your requirement, then you just click on it and it's going to generate the workflow for you. So for instance, I want this template. It's import account signals from Looker to Salesloft. I'm just going to click on try it and it's going to build the workflow for me. So for now, I'm just going to go back and show you how you can prompt the AI to build a workflow for you or automate something for you. So for instance, Google Forms are very common for feedback and various other things. And it gets very hectic to reply to each and every other feedback. So right here at the top, we can just write a simple prompt that. So after you click on enter, it's going to generate the workflow for you. Now you just click on continue with Zap editor. And after you click on it, this now drops you into a canvas where we can continue building and also refining our Zap. Now you just have to wait till this processing gets converted into a green check mark. This is referred to as an trigger and this is referred to as an action. Now after we see a green check mark, we can proceed further with our steps. So we can see that Zapier has automated our workflow using 2 steps or 2 zaps. And if you see a yellow exclamation mark here, that means you have to provide additional information to the Zap for it to be able to work. Right now, our Google Forms is working, so we don't have to focus on it. I'll just click on Gmail. I'm going to click on setup. I'm going to connect my app. I'm going to select the action event. Right now, it's send the email. I'm going to connect to my account. Then I click on continue and for to. So right now, if someone submits a response, I can't insert their email manually every time in the Zapier. So I'll just click on /. So this allows you to insert dynamic values. So if I have to send a reply back on the email, I'm gonna just click on respondent email. These are all the options in my Google Forms. I'm going to leave the CC blank. I'm going to leave the BCC blank as well. In the from name, I'm going to insert my name here. And in the reply to option, I'm going to insert a / and name value. Then I already have the subject, I have the body type, I have the body. And this is everything is generated using the AI. And I'll just click on continue, test check, and boom, that's it. After we have the green check mark, we can publish our Zap and we can just go over on our Zap option here and we can see that the status is on. So as soon till, so if our status is on, if we get a response, I'm gonna send you the thank you mail back. If the status is turned off, it's not gonna do that for you. Now I believe that you have an idea about creating a Zap. And this also has various use cases like if you want to receive weather notifications via SMS, you can also automate your Trello work, you can summarize your email using OpenAI and many more. So if you like this video, just hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button. Thank you.